Hey there, speculators. My name is Rod, the Futures Fanatic. Welcome back to the channel. This is part of TDG, the Traders Dev Group, where I provide futures training for active traders and self-directed investors. Hey, what a wild week. Recording this on Friday, May 6th. We had a non-farm payrolls today, and then on Wednesday we had a Fed decision meeting. Some of the biggest reversals that I've seen back-to-back days in a lot of the stock indices. Also, for this entire year, we're seeing bonds and stocks kind of move lower in a correlated manner. So a little tricky. If it's your first time here to the channel, I do talk about active day trading in the futures markets and also prop trading. If you're not familiar with prop trading, it's essentially the opportunity to produce risk-adjusted returns in a demo account and then earn your way to payouts later in the future. And one of the benefits of following here on Futures Fanatic channel is what I'm going to be talking about. This will be the last in the series of videos on a special that we're doing this week with Elite Trader Funding that is offering a huge discount on their launch special of supporting these platforms that you see right here. This is TradingView right here, and this is Tradovate. And what I did is I recorded about a 7-minute video on my TradingView channel today, and I'm going to just show that right there. It'll explain to you basically the look that I'm using in my trade room. You can find out more about my trade room down below, but really it's about telling you if you are not familiar with these platforms at all, the power of these platforms. And if you already know Tradovate, you already know TradingView, you like the platforms, and you already use them, you're going to want to watch this video in case you've missed some of my other ones, because you can get a huge discount to trade futures with real-time data on these two platforms through Elite Trader Funding, which is essentially a new competitor to TopStep. TopStep Trader has been around for a long time. They're the only other firm that provides support for these two platforms. All right, so let's get into the video tonight. It should explain everything you need to know. I do want to apologize for the audio quality. I recorded it outside of my office on a headset, and the audio quality is a little crappy. I'll try to clean it up. We'll see how it comes out. Again, this sale ends for 75% off your first month at TDG 75. That renews at 50%. You do not have to renew your subscription if you don't want, but it's 75% off your first month. It's at elitetraderfunding.com or tradersdevgroup.com/ETF. And the sale ends Sunday, May 8th at midnight. That's a couple days from when I'm recording this. You don't want to miss this if you're into these platforms. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks. Hey there, speculators of TradingView. Welcome back to my first trading idea on TradingView in quite a while. Sorry for being absent. My name is Rod, the Futures Fanatic. Thanks for checking out this video. Hey, I have been not producing ideas over here because I've been working on a lot of really exciting stuff, and I want to tell you a little bit about what you're looking at and do my best to not violate the TradingView community guidelines by turning this into too much of a commercial. But I do want to let you know about a fantastic opportunity to trade futures with very, very little risk through TradingView, and let me tell you how you can do that in just a moment. So on the screen here, this whole section here is TradingView. Of course, you'll know and love the TradingView interface, and I am connected to a prop program, a futures prop program, demo data. Those of you familiar with this, until this week, there was only one firm, it's called TopStep, that actually had a relationship with Tradovate so that you could connect Tradovate to TradingView and you could trade your TopStep Trader Combine through that, okay? TopStep Trader, good firm and everything, but they are much more expensive and do not have all of the same bells and whistles that I'm going to tell you about in just a moment. All right, so this is TradingView. You all know TradingView. And then up here, I have the Tradovate, which is a supported broker for TradingView. By the way, I apologize a little bit for the audio quality. I'm on a headset here in not in my normal office and stuff like that, so I hope it's not too bad. Let me just trail this up. We are trading this account right up here. So this is Tradovate connected to TradingView. This is the desktop version of TradingView and the desktop version of Tradovate. The desktop version of TradingView is getting better and better. It's fantastic. It's faster than the web-based version, but web is fine. It also has the ability to break out various windows, although I'm only showing essentially one window here. So really, really great. And you can trade directly here on the chart if you like, or it's perfectly integrated with Tradovate, okay? But this video is not focused on all of that. What I wanted to tell you is that this up here, which is called Elite Trader Funding, let me bring over the website right here. This is where it turns into a little bit of a commercial, so I will leave some links below this video idea where you can get to this website and the code I'll tell you about. Elite Trader Funding is a futures funding prop program, okay? Can't go into everything about futures funding and prop programs and how they work. Some people love them, some people don't like them. I overall believe that for newer traders and for all the benefits you get in terms of being able to connect live real-time data to platforms like TradingView and practice and hone your craft, all the benefits far outweigh some of the perceived drawbacks of these particular programs. But anyway, you can navigate over to Elite Trader Funding. You hit start trading right here, and you'll see these various account sizes, okay? You're welcome to choose any particular account size. Make sure you read through all of the information here about what it's all about. I'm gonna select, for instance, this $50,000 one, hit buy now. And when I scroll down here, look what you can choose. Here's what you wanna do. If you want to get in on what I'm telling about here, is you're going to hit TradingView. You're gonna go ahead and sign up, put in all of your information, but here's the key. TDG 75, TDG 75, go ahead and redeem that. It is going to take your first month subscription down to $41.25. That is redonkulous, everybody. $41.25, and it will renew at 50 cents. Here's what you're getting. You're getting a evaluation account through a reputable firm that will pay you out on profits if you go through their program. Read all about it. I can't go through it today. Make sure you're aware of how the entire program works to decide if this is right for you. But for this $41, you will be given a login to TradingView, okay? You're actually gonna log into TradingView through their Tradovate broker integration, which is fantastic. And you will be able to trade on TradingView with real-time futures data in a monitored evaluation that if you produce risk-adjusted returns, you can get paid out at some point in the future, okay? Make sure you read about how all those rules work, all right? Now, here is, again, for you TradingView moderators, if you're watching this, it's no longer a commercial. I'm now gonna tell you what you also get, which is that everybody that signs up through that code, I will know about it, and I will make sure I get you out an email so that you can participate in my live trading futures room where we will trade on Tradovate and TradingView every single day, and you will watch me go through these programs together. So this is the account right here that I'm trading for today. The profit objective for this account is 106,000. You can see we're up a little bit here. We'll also trade some smaller accounts too, like a $50,000. Now, as you can see here, I have multiple accounts. Okay, this is another thing you cannot do through TopStep. TopStep only allows you to get one funded account per trader. Elite Trader Funding allows up to 10 accounts per trader. Now, why would you want 10 accounts? Should anyone buy 10 accounts? I don't know. You do you, boo. It's your own journey. It's your own money. You decide. However, if you develop a strong skill set, why not be able to have more than one funded account as you go through the program, okay? And you can also manage groups. We'll go into this if you decide to come into our trade room. Again, you get a full 30 days in my trade room if you buy and sign up for one of these Elite Trader Funding things. But even if you didn't want to be in the trade room and you don't know who I am and you don't care and you don't like the sound of my voice, I would highly recommend that if you're interested in futures trading on Tradovate and you love Tradovate as much as I do for futures trading, and you like TradingView as the charting and analysis tool where you can also place orders and do all your charting and analysis. I will also give you everything you need to set up your charts like this if you want to. But the real takeaway here is you have a fantastic opportunity to learn to trade futures using the micros, small, slow, and steady. That's how we do it. We are only going to trade these micro products, which are very small. You get very familiar with the interface on TradingView and how to use it, how to practice, and it's just all good stuff. Okay, so that is it. It's going to be a link I'll put in here. It's to Elite Trader Funding. You're going to use the code TDG75. It expires this Sunday, May 8th, okay, and it goes away forever. You will never see an opportunity like this through TopStep of 75% off, not even close. TopStep's a great firm. They've invented this entire space. They have a good relationship, I imagine, with TradingView as well. But this is the newer entrant, Elite Trader Funding, going to get you the same stuff with multiple accounts a heck of a lot cheaper. Okay, make sure you follow me here on TradingView because I promise the vast majority of my videos are just educational. They'll tell you about trading the futures markets for daily income, the strategies that I use that have kept me in the game for, I don't know, 27 plus years. And one last thing here. You can see that that's me, that's my name, and this is a live Tradovate account here as well. So I go through these programs for teaching and educational purposes, but I'm a live full-time professional futures trader. I eat my own dog food, and And there you go, for whatever validation that's required. All right, and definitely follow along here if you have not already. Appreciate all the new follows and likes. My name is Rod, the Futures Fanatic. Just this weekend only. Look for the links below to get involved, or you can DM me directly if you have any questions. Thanks.